Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Do you know that almost 200 to 300 years before there was no concept of 9 to 5 jobs. People were their own boss. They were free to choose their jobs, whether they are farmers, whether they are merchants, whether they are goldsmith, blacksmith. They have their different trades, but the choice was their own.
Before proceeding further in this video, please subscribe my channel so that you can get a notification for every new video.
They were their own bosses. This concept of having job from 9 to 5, serving someone else and having a life like a bounded life, this concept was incorporated in our minds due to different invasions on South Asia, especially by the British. They built up this concept in the world. They captured and made different colonies in the world, and this concept became stronger in the peoples living in those colonies. Now the world is going back towards its own older phase. The digital world, the world of freelancing, online marketplaces, once again have developed this concept. Now people are not bound to choose their job. They are free to choose their job. They can earn everything what they want. They can sell their products in online marketplaces. There are different marketplaces, different online job opportunity places where you can take job, where you can place a bid on different jobs related to your job set, your skill set. If you don't have skills, that what kind of skills you can offer to the world? First of all, you need to learn those skills. It may be related to SEO, content writer. It may be related to your Amazon virtual assistant, freelancing, and different skills. Millions of skills are there on the online marketplaces, video editor, and different other jobs. First of all, you work on your skill set, your skill set, develop your skill set to a professional level. When you are a professional in your skill set, you can bid on different projects, take projects, complete the projects in the given time, and you can earn money in dollars. You can earn money much more than as compared to the money that you earn from your 9 to 5 job. So this concept is now getting stronger in the world, and people are flocking towards the freelance marketplaces. So I will recommend you that first of all, focus on your skills, what kind of skills you have and how you can polish those skills to earn money. The things like a 4-year degree or 6-year degrees or 8-year degree is now vanishing in the world. You can earn money just learning different skills, although the importance of degree is always be there, will always be there, because it is a knowledge and knowledge cannot vanish. But you need to polish your skills according to the need of the industry, according to need of the marketplaces. When your skills are polished, you can earn money. There are different marketplaces like Upwork, like Guru.com, like Freelancer.com, like Fiverr. There are different online job places. There are different online websites on which you can earn money. If you have skills, you are a skill provider, you are a service provider, you can do your job on your own basis. So I will recommend those students those professionals that they are going to get a job, they are flocking towards the permanent job. There is no concept like permanent job in the world. You have to create your job on, not only for your own, you can create jobs for many other people's. So I am going to start a series of freelancing videos on my YouTube channel. Stay tuned to me, stay tuned with me, and you will learn different kinds of techniques that you can use to earn money online. And I myself have done freelancing course which I want to deliver, which I want to communicate, which I want to educate to the peoples to the extent that I have learned it, and you will enjoy it. You will be enjoying it, and you can get benefit out of it. So stay tuned to me till to the end of this course. You will learn many new things that will change your life, your concept, your skills, and everything that you have. Thank you so much for watching this video.